So today I'm giving you a vegan grocery haul. I went to 5 different stores. But before I get into the video, I want to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing to this to our channel. I really appreciate it. For those who aren't subscribed yet, please hit that notification button as well as the subscribe button. And yeah, let's get into the video. So we're going to start with the 5 stores that I did go to were Heirlooms, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Acme, and Sprouts Farmers Market. I usually do like 1 or 2 stores, like a day or every other day. But with the virus and things like that, I figured let's just get everything out. Just just do everything at one time. So that's what I did. I went to each store, I got the different things that I want. Tina gave me a list, and I did it. I love shopping. She knows that, and with her being pregnant, it's just easier for me to do everything. And with us having a family, I go from store to store so I can save more money. Right here, we'll start with this right here. I have some Silk Creamy Cashews, unsweetened vanilla. Got this right here from Sprouts. They had this, matter of fact, I got this from Sprouts, unsweet vanilla. And I like the unsweet because, vanilla already has sugar in itself, and when it's unsweetened, they don't add any extra sugar in it. And with cereal already having sugar in it, our kids they don't need no extra sugar. So I just give them the unsweet vanilla cashew milk. Next, we're gonna get into the organic almond original unsweetened. And for all those who've been to Whole Foods, you already know I got this from Whole Foods. It's $3.65. Let's get it right there. $3.65 right there. And Tina used this milk when she do her cooking, like mashed potatoes and anything like that. She used unsweetened almond milk, and so that's for cooking. Next, I'm gonna got a whole bunch of beans right here. We got some chickpeas. I got garbanzo beans. If you get some the canned ones, and if it's BPA free, you can drain the liquid out and use the liquid for like a egg replacement. But with chickpeas, you can do a lot of different things with it. You can make chickpea salad, tuna salad. You can make barbecue chickpeas. You can what else you can make with these? Or just boil the chickpeas and eat it like that. It's another alternative. So there's different things you can do with beans, and that's why I got them stocked up on a whole bunch of these. I got these from Heirlooms. They were for $2, so I couldn't beat that. Right here I got some garbanzo beans from Whole Foods. I didn't know if I was going to Heirlooms today, but Whole Foods got it for I believe 79 cents for the ones that's not organic. The organic ones are 99 cents. But the cans are BPA free, so I'm cool with that. Right here I got some with the black beans, you can use it for I didn't show the black beans, that's my fault. But right here I got some black beans too. That's another thing that I got. Some black beans, and you can fry them, put them in some tacos, burritos, things like that. Also got some pinto beans as well. Right here we got some Miyazaki's cheddar slices. I haven't tried this yet. This was new at Whole Foods. I got this from Whole Foods. Make some. We'll see. I'm gonna see how it melts. So her other products are good. So I figured why not give the cheese a try. I'm gonna try it with some grilled cheese. See how it tastes with that. I usually use the Violife cheddar cheese to make my grilled cheese. But we'll get Miyoko, we'll give her a try. And we got the Phil roast sausages, the Italian ones. I like the Italian ones. Tina, she more into the hot ones, too hot for me. And we've seen some of our previous videos, like our mukbangs. You see, I'm not really into hot food. So I got the regular sausages for me. I got these from these was on sale at Acme for $4.29. They normally like $5.99. So got those for Acme. But for her, we got some Gardein sausages. So she likes the Gardein sausages. They're good. I'm not gonna lie, but the Phil roast ones were on sale, and they're not bad. So I got the Phil roast for the family. Next, these came loose, but anyone knows, again, Phil roast, they're hot dogs. Their hot dogs are on sale as well at Acme for the same price, and their hot dogs are usually like $6 or something. So if you're familiar with the Phil Roast hot dogs, you already know they're like usually $6, but on sale for $4.29. So you can't beat that. These are on sale for $2.99. Phil Roast again, they were just having a sale. So we got these sausages. Again, this mukbang is great for those transitioning. Again, I'm just showing you all the processed food that we got. We got other foods like in our bulk section. But again, unless you really been a vegan for a long time, then you wouldn't kind of know how to use it. So you would if you continue to watch our channel. So next we're gonna go into some seaweed chips. I know like every video I always show y'all guys seaweed chips. You can't get enough of seaweed chips. The kids love them, so why not? It's a healthy snack. And yeah, they were 3 for $1, $1.50 I want to say, less than $2, but they were under $2. I got these from Sprouts Farmers Market. So yeah, it's a great snack. Right here we got some Follow Your Heart eggs. I got these from Whole Foods. Kind of mad that I got from there because I paid like $7.99 for them, $8. But prior to going to Whole Foods, I was at Sprouts and they were $6.39 there. Don't know why they grabbed it there, but if you have Sprouts Farmers Market, check them out. Follow Your Heart egg. Check it out there and see if it's on sale. Next, lentils. I got 2 bags of lentil beans. Tina used this to make like her ground beef, as well as like, basically her ground beef. She used that a lot for that. So any type of like ground beef type, or like any burgers, she made like lentil burgers or soup. Lentil soup, that's another thing she used lentils for. So for like soup, you can use lentils for making your own burgers and like ground beef. So those 3 good things for lentils. Right here we got some raw walnuts. Tina usually going to use that right there. Make some walnut meat. Like Gardeins, their meat has a lot of soy. Some people have a soy. They're like allergic to soy. Actually but the employee at Whole Foods, she was trying to teach me how to be vegan, not knowing that I've been vegan for like 5 years. But I listen. You always can learn something. So she was saying that she couldn't really eat soy, so that's why she couldn't like stay vegan. So walnuts would be, if you don't have a nut allergy, walnuts would be a good replacement for soy to make like ground beef. If you're interested on learning how to use this to make this like a ground beef, like crumble, leave a comment below. We'll definitely make a video showing you how to make walnuts out of ground beef. Next, we got some spaghetti. I got these from Heirlooms, aka Giants spaghetti. We also have some frozen fruit. We got raspberries, we got cherry berry, and we got some strawberry. All these berries right here. But for smoothies, put it in the kids, let it thaw it out, put it in the kids' oatmeal, let the kids snack on it. That's a good snack as well for the kids. So we use our fruits for smoothies. They were on sale at Heirlooms for $2.50, I believe, but it was less than $3. $2.19. That's what it was. $2.19. And that's what made me get out. I was like, that's a deal. Can't beat that. Next we have some Vital Wheat Gluten. Vital Wheat Gluten. For those, that's one thing that like I was saying, like people that are vegan, they may use. So those who don't like to use that much processed meat, you can make any type of meat using Vital Wheat Gluten. Tina uses this to make her steak, her any type of meat, steak, chicken, anything like that. She's gonna make. So follow us on Peace Love Vegan 420 on Instagram. I have a couple posts of different recipes Tina used. Made using Vital Wheat Gluten. So yeah, check out our Instagram. You'll see some of the posts. Next we have some Smart Bacon. The cheaper way is using zucchini, but again, Tina being 8 months about to go on labor, we're stocking up on a lot of processed food to help her, not having to cook too much. And I can cook all this myself. You know, it's just the stuff that's not processed, what Tina do. But everything that's on this table right here, I can make it myself. The beans, I can use everything. Oatmeal, got some oats, some quick oats. And I got this from Acme. My bad. Yeah, not Acme. Where I get this from? Oh yeah, I forgot I went to ShopRite Well. I went to ShopRite Well real quick because none of them other places had oatmeal, so I had got me some oatmeal real quick from ShopRite. Had to throw in there. Put that in there. Heirlooms, again, had this on sale, buy one, get one free. So again, you know, you can make this from scratch yourself. If you're interested on how to make your own burritos from scratch, you know, leave a video below. I'll see if Tina, you know, we'll do it together. Teamwork with your dream work, and I'll definitely help her out if you're interested in learning how to make homemade burritos. But like I said, her being almost due, it's easier for her. I know how to make it myself. You use this to make burritos. Sometimes we get a little clever, or not ghetto, but I wasn't gonna say ghetto, but kind of clever, and make like TJ, our youngest, we like to use it to make pizza, like a Mexican pizza kind of. So I didn't know Mexican people usually use burritos to make pizza. To Tina, so she showed me that. Here I got Tina loves this from Trader Joe's. It's the everything seasoned bagel. I don't know if you guys ever tried the everything but the bagels sesame. But if you have like bagels and like everything bagels, you know, Trader Joe's got their own seasoning. Use it right here. Check it out. Grits. Got some yellow grits right here. Again, everything that's on the table I know how to make myself. So again, that's why it was good for me to get a lot of this processed foods to help Tina out with her getting closer to her due date. Got another thing of oatmeal. Got this from, again, that's why I got the quick oats from ShopRite. But Heirlooms only had this oatmeal right here. You know, apple and cinnamon. Apple or cinnamon. Why not? So I got that. That was on sale too. Buy one get one free. So again, I didn't fit everything on the table, but it's a lot of some of the things that I got was buy one get one free. Again, that's the best thing about shopping around. You can you know, get more for your buck. That's what it's about. For those who work hard for their money, they know exactly what I'm talking about. You don't want to just give anybody, you know, just give somebody all your money. You want to get you want to get more for your money. That's what I'm about. Initially, Tina didn't like that. Oh, shopping around, just shop at one store, shop at one store. And I'm like, but why shop at one store? We can get more from by shopping around. You know, it's my time. And, you know, I don't mind, you know, using my time to shop around. But yeah, let's get into this. This cereal right here, I got this from Sprouts. I like this one over the other one because if you read the side of the box, the other one said partially genetically modified. This is the only one from this brand, Mom's Best Cereal, that didn't say partially genetically modified. So if you're familiar with that cereal, you know, if you don't believe me, just check the side of it, like toward the bottom, and you'll see it, partially genetically modified. And that's of course because, you know, one of it's corn, and everybody knows corn is basically one of the GMO, like soy and corn is one of the two biggest crops that are like most like GMO, genetically modified. This is my thing right here, yellow mangoes. You know, growing up at my grandma's house, I never had a yellow mango until like 2 years ago, like when I started working at like Whole Foods. But my grandma used to always have me eat the regular mangoes, put them on the ledge, like not the ledge, but like on the countertop, on the windowsill. My bad, on the windowsill, let the sun hit it, so it get real soft and juicy. And like once it's real soft, cut it open, bite it, roll. Yeah. But I think oh yeah, one more thing. I got some veggie burgers from Gardein. Again, you can always use lentils to make your own burgers. Tina, she knows how to use these more so than I do. The lentils, I'm not that guy yet. I'm learning. So that's for me to cook when she's not in the mood. So that's everything, guys. I appreciate everybody for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, you know, please hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification button so you'll be aware when we post the videos. posting videos like every week now. We're trying to be more consistent. Not trying, we will be. We're being more consistent now. Definitely having more of a passion for this. Always have, but I'm getting more comfortable being on the camera, being in front of the camera. So it's like I'm wanting to do it more. So I'm definitely giving out more content. So please subscribe. Please hit that notification button. If you're not following us on Instagram, hit us up on Instagram, Peace Love Vegan 420. Also on Facebook, Peace Love Vegan 420 as well. And even got Twitter, Peace Love Vegan too. We got all social media. I'm working on Pinterest. It's not up right now. But again, thanks for watching this video. And like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.